Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 173. The AMD software installer cannot proceed as no AMD graphic hardware has been detected to your system. So based on AMD.com, there is a possible cause here. The AMD software installer has detected that a current system does not contain AMD graphic hardware. So make sure your AMD graphic product is correctly installed and recognized by the OS. For example, you can access Device Manager. Right click the start icon and go to Device Manager, and make sure your AMD is in here. Display adapters and AMD Radeon or Vega 8 graphics, and use the integrated graphic card. So make sure it's in here. If not, make sure your graphic card is not used for mining. Maybe you both use graphic card that used to mining. You don't have to, or you cannot use the Adrenaline driver. You can search for mining driver out there, because the driver is different than the Adrenaline one. And of course, try to simply check your motherboard or check your hardware. Maybe there is a defect that can cause your graphic card cannot detected by the system. So feel free to try to fix this solution. Try this solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.